So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is, the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6.09 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. After that we'll go inside, so we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea unit on the front wall. On the right side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs, and on the right side we have a storeroom here. You can see here 2 large size window and glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a study table with chair. And after that we will go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet on the right side. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, also a study table with chair and large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. And we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.